we need to add more details to our client side application, such as the status of the connection and the current date that we read from the network. Okay, so we do that after we have established the connection. frame.update connection status and socket dot. So we can call this method. So it will return whether it is true or false. Okay, that is one. And after that we need to read, here, this one. Okay, this one is read from the network and display the current date. Okay, so we are displaying client date frame dot date server date and current date. So our client side application is complete.